raids and massive security.
Good morning, cadets. In the last video session, we started the revision of nationalism in India. And in nationalism in India, the chapter Nationalism in India, we discussed a flow chart related to various events related to the freedom movement, starting from the revolt of 1857 till the independence of India. Okay, so India's freedom struggle of 1857, Bankim Chand composed the Vande Mataram. 1885, Indian National Congress was formed by A.O. Hume. 1906, division of Bengal by Lord Curzon. The First World War, 1914, Mahatma Gandhi returned to India from South Africa. Champaran movement, Kheda Satyagraha, cotton mill workers strike in Gujarat, Rowlatt Act, Jallianwala Bagh massacre, the Khilafat movement, non-cooperation movement, Chauri Chaura incident, Kakori conspiracy case, the Simon Commission, Dandi March, Gandhi-Irwin Pact, Pune Pact, then the Government of India Act of 1935, the World War II, 1939, and the Cabinet Mission, 1946, and the independence. So this definitely we discuss in detail, nearly more than 20 minutes, the flow chart. So today let us discuss about 1 mark question. So please write down the question and answers option and tick the right answer. When the Rowlatt Act was passed in 1912, 1914, 1919, 1920. Question number 2. When did the First World War begin? 2 World Wars were fought, First and Second World War. When First World War started? 1910, 1914, 1917, 1919. Question number 3. Where did Mahatma Gandhi launch the first Satyagraha in India? Where did Mahatma Gandhi launch first Satyagraha in India? Champaran, Kheda, Delhi, Calcutta. Champaran, Kheda, Delhi, Calcutta. Question number 4. Who is the author of book Hind Swaraj? Who is the author of book Hind Swaraj? Jawaharlal Nehru, Vallabhbhai Patel, Mahatma Gandhi, Baba Ramchandra. Question number 5. Who was the founder of Depressed Classes Association? Depressed Classes Association. Baba Ramchandra, Bhimrao Ambedkar, Jawaharlal Nehru, Shaukat Ali. Founder of Depressed Classes Association. Baba Ramchandra, Bhimrao Ambedkar, Nehru, Shaukat Ali. After which of the following event Mahatma Gandhi abruptly withdrew non-cooperation movement? The withdrawal of non-cooperation movement by Mahatma Gandhi, after the which incident? Jallianwala Bagh massacre, Rowlatt Act, Chauri Chaura, Dandi March. That is question number 6. Question number 7. Who was the founder of Muslim League? Shaukat Ali Khan, Muhammad Ali. Both are correct, both are wrong. Question number 7. Question number 8. Who is the author of book Discovery of India? Jawaharlal Nehru, Bhimrao Ambedkar, Mahatma Gandhi, Baba Ramachandra. The book Discovery of India. Fill in the blanks. Question number 9. In dash session of Congress demanded complete independence, that is Purna Swaraj. The idea of Purna Swaraj, the dominant status, the idea of Purna Swaraj demanded in which session of Indian National Congress? That is what? Question number 9. In dash session, the Congress demanded complete independence. 10. Fill in the blanks. The first president of Indian National Congress was. The first president of Indian National Congress was dash. Question number 11. Fill in the blanks. In 1919, Shaukat Ali and Muhammad Ali started dash movement. Question number 13. In civil disobedience movement, was withdrawn. You have to write here. Question number 14. Which of the following statements are true about Alluri Sitaram Raju? Alluri Sitaram Raju, we have, okay. The statement 1. He was a leader of tribal movement in Gudem Hills in Andhra Pradesh. Statement number 2. He persuaded the tribal people to wear khadi and give up drinking alcohol. He started a militant guerrilla warfare movement. Statement 4. All the statements are correct. So, which statement are true about Alluri Sitaram Raju? Alluri Sitaram Raju, which statement is correct? That is what you have to answer the question number 14. Question number 15. Write the correct statement. On April 1920, Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place in Punjab. Is the statement is correct? Definitely not. Then correct it. That is what question is expecting from you. Who created the first image of Bharat Mata? Who created first image of Bharat Mata? That is the question. Question number 17. Who composed the song Vande Mataram? Please write down the questions. Question number 18. Where was the Indian National Congress formed? Indian National Congress was formed in which place? Question number 19. Who started Awadh Kisan Sabha? Awadh Kisan Sabha, who started? Question number 20. What do you mean by the word Satyagraha? What is the meaning of word Satyagraha? What do you understand by word Swadeshi? What is Swadeshi movement? Question number 21. Question number 22. Why did the British government curtail the freedom of press after 1857? 1857, the revolt, Sipai Mutiny, called by the British, the War of Independence by the Indians, the revolt of 1857 by the historians. So, why did British curtail the freedom of press after the revolt of 1857? In Madras, who published a massive 4-volume collection of Tamil folk tales? When was the second round table conference held? Question number 25. Why was Rowlatt Act called as an oppressive legislation? Why Rowlatt Act was considered as oppressive legislation? Oppressive legislation means a legislation or a law which deny the basic rights of human beings. That is what oppressive legislation. So you have to explain why Rowlatt Act was called as an oppressive legislation. Okay, I'll quickly show you the question once again. Please write down the questions. Question 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. Now let us check the answer. Let us do an interesting activity. If possible, can you recall the questions? So answer 1919. What is the question? That is about Rowlatt Act. What is 1914? Beginning of World War I. What is Champaran? Champaran was the first movement supported by Mahatma Gandhi. Who wrote the book Hind Swaraj? That is Mahatma Gandhi. Then question number 5. Who started Depressed Class Association? That is B.R. Ambedkar. Why Gandhiji withdrew non-cooperation movement? That is, the violence incident took place in Chauri Chaura, in which the British police were burnt alive by the protesters. So Gandhiji's aim was to lead a protest against the British in a peaceful and non-violent way, but the incident of Chauri Chaura turned into violence. That's the reason why non-cooperation movement was withdrawn. So it is not Muhammad Ali and Shaukat Ali started the Muslim League. That's why both are wrong. The discovery of India written by Jawaharlal Nehru. That is, Nehru wrote the book Discovery of India. The Lahore session of Indian National Congress. Now the question for you: who chaired the Lahore session of Indian National Congress? Lahore session of Indian National Congress is very important for various reasons. One, the Lahore session of Indian National Congress took the decision of fighting for Purna Swaraj, that is called complete independence. In the same session, they decided to celebrate the Independence Day. That's why on 26th January 1930, when the conclusion of Lahore session was done, then the Indian National Congress celebrated the Independence Day. That's the reason why India was declared as a republic on 26th January. Who was the first president of Indian National Congress? That is Umesh Chandra Banerjee. He is called W.C. Banerjee. Who started Indian National Congress? The founder of Indian National Congress. Can you answer this question? The founder of Indian National Congress in 1885. I can give a clue. He is not an Indian. So Indian National Congress in 1885 was founded or started by A.O. Hume. Okay. So almost try to recall the question so that it is a good exercise. So answer for 11th question, that is 1906, that is partition of Bengal. Khilafat movement, answer for question number 12. 1931. Answer for question number 13. Now can you recall question number 14? Or can you recall the statements? 4 statements were there. Alluri Sitaram Raju, considered as the tribal leader, he asked the people to skip drinking alcohol. He followed guerrilla warfare techniques. All the 4 statements are correct in the case of Alluri Sitaram Raju. In the year 1919, that is, for statement was 20, but Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place on Baisakhi Day on 13th April 1919. Abhindranath Tagore, the person behind the first image of Bharat Mata. Bankim Chand Chatterjee composed Vande Mataram. What is the 18th question? 18th question was, where was the Indian National Congress formed? That is in Mumbai. 19th answer is Baba Ramachandra. Answer for 19th question. Question number 20. Emphasis on the power of truth. Emphasis on the power of truth. Question number 21. The focus on products which prepared in our own country. That is what we speak about, Swaraj and Swadeshi. To curb arose the spirit of nationalism. That is why the local newspapers were banned. The folklore of southern India, Natesha Shastri, who collected and made a huge volume of Tamil literature and saying that the folklore of southern India. 1931, that is second round table conference held in the year 1931. Under this act, that is Rowlatt Act, why it is called as oppressive act? Under this act, political prisoners could be kept in jail for 2 years without trial, means without producing them in a court. That is what it was called as very oppressive act. So cadets, please go through the question and answers, write down, because if you are able to understand question and answer for nearly 25 questions, almost important topics for 1 mark is all over from this particular chapter. And in next video session, let us discuss about the questions for 3 marks or 4 mark question, 3 or 4 mark question. Take care, wish you a wonderful day. Thank you.